Hey everyone, I'm Kaya with exercisesforinjuries.com. Welcome to today's video where I am going to be going through how to test if you have tight shoulders. So a lot of us have tight shoulders, but how do you know if you do, and what are some movements, exercises you can do to kind of find out? So I'm going to go through 3 different things you can do at home to kind of do a quick little self-assessment to find out if you have tight shoulders. So the first thing to do is what I call wall angels. So coming with your back against a wall, so you need enough room here to bring your arms up. Your feet as close to the wall as possible, but ankles don't necessarily need to be touching. And so you want to get your, check that your lower back, so if you slide a hand behind your lower back, we don't want too much space. So with your hand behind your lower back, thinking about bringing the core in and pressing your lower back into your hand. So there's just a very slight curve in the low back. Upper body against the wall. So this might already be getting challenging. Now what we're going to do is bring the arms up and we're going to see if we can get those forearms all the way to the wall here at about a 90-degree bend. If you can do that, you can see if you can slide the arms overhead and down, keeping the forearms on the wall. Moving slowly here, being really mindful if there's any sharp pains, and then we're stopping and we'll say, yes, we do have tight shoulders. So for me, definitely really challenging, definitely tightness that I'm feeling in my shoulders. It's a really big effort for me to try to keep my forearms against the wall. And if the forearms aren't getting to the wall, then there you go, tight shoulders. All right, second thing we can do here is a stretch called cow face arms. That's what we call it in yoga. You can bring one arm overhead like you're about to pat yourself on the back, and the other one comes underneath. And we're working to see here how close you can get your fingertips together. So if they can reach, or if they're pretty close, then we're probably not too tight in at least this range of motion. But if they're way out here, we probably got some tightness happening in the shoulders. And of course we want to go on both sides because often tightness is happening more on one side than the other. Okay, third one, nice and simple, is arms overhead. What we're looking for here is if we can get those wrists all the way up above the shoulders or even further back. So if you only can kind of get your arms to here, then we're probably looking at some shoulder tightness. Okay, so those are 3 things that you can do to test if you have tight shoulders. If you decide, yes, I do have tight shoulders, based on those 3 short little assessments there, then you may want to look into our Unlock Your Tight Shoulders program. So if you do have tight shoulders, why is this a problem? Well, this can lead to things like poor posture. So tightness in the shoulders could lead to that rounded upper back and then tight chest muscles. And this can lead to overcompensation in other muscles, like the muscles in your upper back, which of course can lead to back pain. So anywhere from upper, mid to lower back pain, even lead to hip pain. You could get a misaligned pelvis from the way your spine has rounded, knee pain, really anything when it comes to those shoulders, because it's pulling the spine out of alignment. And of course the spine is then connected to the hips and pelvis, and then the hips and pelvis are going to affect the entire lower body. And then if we're looking above the shoulders, tight shoulder muscles connected into the neck, it's going to pull on the neck muscles, and we're going to get neck pain, potentially headaches, migraines, and stuff like that. So if you've decided you've got tight shoulders and you want to look at how you can unlock those tight shoulders, you can go ahead and click the link below this video to check out the Unlock Your Tight Shoulders program. So this is a program on exercisesforinjuries.com by injury specialist Rick Caselj. Helped lots of people overcome their shoulder tightness and all of those not so great things that come along with it. So it's a comprehensive program focusing on those tight shoulders. It's easy, it's quick, it should only be about 10 minutes of your day, accessible, and of course safe and effective. There's multiple levels for all the exercises with modifications to make things more challenging or to make them easier depending on your level. So go ahead, check out that link below. It will take you to the product page where you can learn more about the Unlock Your Tight Shoulders program. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in another video. Take care.